Here are a few examples from the assignment. All right, mean is the meanest process of all. We have to add up all of these numbers and then divide by the number of numbers that we have. Okay, I'm going to try not to use a calculator. I know that 7 and 13 makes 20. I know that 8 and 2 makes 10, which leaves me with this 5 and this 1. So I'm going to do 20 plus 10, which is 30, plus 5, which is 35, plus 1 more, which is 36. So the sum of those numbers is 36. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers that I added together. So I'm going to divide 36 by 6. You can use a calculator for that if you want to. When you put that into the calculator, you will get 6. So the mean is 6. The median is the middle number when the numbers are ordered from least to greatest. They're ordered from least to greatest here already. So we're going to cross off the smallest and the largest. The smallest and the largest. So we're crossing off 1 from each side. Then the middle number is the answer. But sometimes we're left with 2 in the middle. So in that case, we have to find the middle of those numbers. In between 5 and 7, exactly in the middle of those numbers is 6. If you weren't able to figure it out, though, because you might have one that's a decimal, you would add these two together and divide by 2. If we add these together, we get 12, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. The mode is the most common number, the number that you see the most. All of these numbers repeat. Well, they don't repeat. We see them all just once, so there's actually no mode. So we're going to put none. And then the range is the difference between the maximum number and the minimum number. So the greatest one is 13. The smallest one is 1. So we're going to subtract to find the difference between these. So 13 minus 1 is 12. All right, let's take a peek at number 2. So number 2, the mean, we'd have to add them first. 1 plus 9 is 10. 3 plus 7 is another 10. And then plus 2 and plus 2. So 10, 20, 24. So when we add them, we get 24. And then we're going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because there's 6 numbers. So 24 divided by 6, and that would be 4. All right, the median is the middle number. So we're going to cross off the smallest and the largest. Smallest and the largest. So we have 2 things in the middle. So we have to find the middle of that. So we have to find what number is exactly between 2 and 3. That's going to be a decimal. So you might know the decimal. If not, you're going to do 2 plus 3, which is 5, and then 5 divided by 2. So it's 2.5, which is 2.5. The mode is the most common number. I see the number 2 twice. So our mode is 2. And then the range is the largest number minus the smallest number. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay. And then I'm just going to point out that once you get down to number 6, these numbers are not in order from least to greatest. So you might want to find some scratch paper and rewrite those numbers in order from least to greatest. So you would write 1, 2, 3, 7, 12, because that is definitely going to affect the median and the range. All right, good luck.